So for clarity grading of colored stones, it's a lot more complex because diamond is one material, but colored stones, we have many, many, many different species. And so there are lots of different systems worldwide to grade. But what we do have to keep in mind when we grade is that certain gems should be separated from others in the grading. And why should they be separated? Because some typically are available very commonly without many inclusions, and some come automatically included and very difficult to find them with no inclusions. I'll give you some examples. So what if we talk about topaz? Topaz is a beautiful gem. It typically comes in very large sizes and small as well, but it can come in very large size. And it typically comes very, very clean. That means quite free from inclusions. And if you pick up a topaz and you can't see anything with your naked eye, it wouldn't be surprising. If you were to pick up your loupe and try to look with your loupe and still didn't see anything, it wouldn't be surprising. On the other hand, if we look at, say, a ruby or a sapphire, they are typically included, but the color often masks what's inside the stone. So when you look with your naked eye, you probably won't notice much, but the minute you pick up a loupe and that 10-power magnification, you'll be able to see something inside. So that's a very different category. And we can't judge those two in the same category because it wouldn't be very fair. And then we have a further category, which is for the emerald. Now, those of you who know emerald, you know that emerald is pretty much always included. We call it the jardin, the garden in the stone. And it's very, very normal for emeralds to have many fractures, inclusions, etc. To find a large size, absolutely clean emerald, it's going to be either in a museum or it's just an absolute rarity. So again, we have to consider the three different categories normally when we are clarity grading colored stones. So it makes it a little bit more challenging.